Like, work people wicked enough? Work people wicked.
It's V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle vlogs about her day.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. Yes, new uniform. Well, not really new. Well, technically it is new because a new shirt and new pants. But you know, seen me in this uniform before. But yeah, no longer am I at the pool. Like, that is the greatest birthday gift ever. You wouldn't even understand. Like, the sun was busting. Like, every day get hotter and hotter. And even though we're leaning to winter, it's like, can't give away everything we gotta have. Like, we couldn't manage. No man, the sun was sunning. The sun was sunning. It was too hot. Like, one day my shoes literally melt off. No joke, I'm not lying. Me throw it away. Me should just take picture of it, you know. Me should take picture of it or video it. That me should do, you know. Yesterday I threw away, well, this morning I threw away my other shoes, the white one. Like, I'm so glad to get rid of it. Like, it is comfortable and everything, but you know, when it comes down to white shoes, yeah, especially if you wear it every day, it was so annoying. And it was getting dirty every minute, so I threw it away, thank God. I washed all the white shirts and folded it up just in case they want it back. But I'm so glad to get out of that uniform. You would even understand. I'm so glad. Now I'm at Birdwood, as you can see. Lord Jesus, this. Yeah, I'm at Birdwood, and the people them here is better. They're more rich people there. Rich people that come there because I golfers them. But like the workers them, I like them. I like them. Yeah, love them. Like them. So it should be good. And it's a more fast-paced place. I don't have to be going out in the sun searching for customers. Like when I was in the pool, it's like maybe I beg them for buy. When the people them come here, so them come to eat. So I'm just got a table, simple. So I am so excited, and it's gonna be a like 1 hour shorter, but more money, less hours per, less pay per hour, but more money in tips. And me just glad, honestly, me just glad if we come out of the sun. All if me I get less money, I'm just glad if we come out of the sun. Anyway, yes, thank you guys for coming back on my channel. I hope you enjoyed last week's video. Like, I did a solo thing. Like, if you don't watch the video yet, go and back and watch it. Yes, and then you can comment like the best part of it. Guys, you all should just take yourself out on a date. Yes, you don't need a man, you don't need no friends. Take yourself out on a date. Yes, that was what last week was about. Solo date. Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to book the Uber now because I start work at 11 and now it's 10:19. Sometimes the Uber take a little while to come, so I'm just gonna do that. Yeah, so thank you for coming back to my channel, and let's see what this week brings. Yeah, like, look on this, the blue just look nice, don't? Blue just look nice on the camera. Yeah, look nice. Like my favorite color. Well, one off. Well, blue is overall my favorite color, but I like teal. But yeah, look how the blue look good on me, man. Look there, look how girl neat. Not even need belt. Look there, look there, look there. No, look there. Straight. Yeah, look there. Let me go far. Look there. Look there, look how girl neat. Look there. Look there. And the little guest black bag. Yeah. I certainly for a long time. Anyway, no, don't watch the little bun pan better. Me lunch, you know? But I'll pick up back with you. Yes, guys, I am here. Like, look, barely get any sun. Sunday, but I'm not going to be outside because it's inside the restaurant. Like, look, inside the restaurant. Yeah. They look dead. So, we're not stand on lunchtime, mate. So, Why are you smiling? Guys, it is slow. I only have one customer. Well, it's great because it's been a while. Like, I haven't been here long enough, so the fact that I just got one customer is two person, one table. So yeah, I already feel good. I already feel cool. Like, no sweating. Like, I love this for me. And then the chef that was in at the pool is here, so it's even better. You see me glowing? Another day, another dollar. And it's slow. It starts out like this like yesterday, and then it pick up back. Let me show you. Gift shop, the restaurant, bar, restaurant, gift shop, outside patio, and then the golf court. Here today, opening. It is, oh, watch it, 6:53, and I was gonna open up. That's outside. It's kind of funky, but we just gonna just open up and then get back to yeah, new vlog. Welcome to the new vlog.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby. I just need you by my side, yeah. That's until the day I die. Ever since you found me, we the only thing I see. Forever and a day, it's you and me, and they can't replicate this unity. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. I don't even care about the way they're looking at us, 'cause I know they wish they had it and they know we doing damage to the game. I don't care about the stereotype. I can never do it mono, we the stereotype. I'm talking left, right link, I'm talking left hand ring. I'm talking this right here forever, we ain't here just for the summer. Always on 10, we ain't never had to come up. Young right now, but we gon' watch the numbers run up. Honestly, I love the way you carry it. It was an easy decision, I had to marry it. Honeymoon, I'ma put you on a chariot, and they don't make them like you no more. No pressure, I can see them watching and they try to do better, but you one in a million, you ain't average. Girl, I promise I'ma have you living lavish. Take a trip, girl, we're about to vanish. 'Cause I'll go anywhere, anywhere, just as long as you with me. 'Cause girl, I know that you get me, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere. 'Cause I'll go, so I'll go anywhere.
Yeah, so kind of finished setup. The next girl just come and she went to the storage to get some stuff, but I figured I'll just show you a piece of the golf course. I showed already, I'm showing already, but just with the people there in the back. Yeah, let me show you. As you can see, I was sitting up this morning and the sun is slightly coming out. So yeah, it rained last night, that's why the place is so hot. As in, that's why the table them wet, so I you have mildew. But the sun will dry it off. Yeah, so
so I'll go anywhere.
Hey guys, so yeah, we're done. We're done for today, and it is actually 5 minutes after 7. We're done 7 o'clock. We're done exactly. Normally we would stay until 8 o'clock because we had side work, but today was dead. But you see, God always up on my side because make good money same way, because even if the people them just take drinks, them take me goods. So it seems like a full day work based on the tips that we make today. But yeah, so I'm just grateful. Just I come and I say I'm grateful, and I speak it out in the atmosphere. God knows I'm grateful, so He can continue to bless me. Yeah, so just a walk, meet Uber. I don't have to, but just a stretch my legs. I could have gotten a ride, but yeah, that is that pride. But that is not even that, because if me I go get ride with somebody, me I go wait on them, and me just want to go home right now. Even though the Uber got take 11 minutes to come, I'm just go and walk it out. You understand? Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I need to stretch my legs anyway. So this is Sunday. On my day off, I'm planning to go somewhere. Like me, I plan to go probably movies or something like that. Because it's this birthday thing, have another drive, and I'm probably gonna eat and do movies. Yeah, we're not staying at the house. We're not doing that, because how am I gonna find the man if me staying? You understand? Unless me want a robber. Yeah, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna put myself out there, because you have to find that man. Well, the man have to find me, and if he find me, I have to be outside. Look at the view behind me. Yeah, look at that golf course. And then you have man that come here, but I put myself out there. Yeah, cause this is this is the year we have to find somebody good. Yeah, I feel like I don't want to go look or going over the pool now, then dig up a place now, but no, I'm gonna wait there. I'm walking in the direction of the Uber. So I'm just glad tomorrow morning. I'm just glad tonight when I go home. I'm going to tell you the last winner, and then tomorrow I declare the winner to you guys. But I'm gonna go live and let them know who won. And yeah, you have some people that is neck and neck, but yeah, let's see. And then I have to do some fine tuning, because you have people where we use one person and make them come in too much time, they're not valid, and then if they're not subscribed, they're not valid. So I have to do all them something then. Yeah guys, tomorrow is my day off and I'm here at work. It kinda slow, but when Islamic, yeah, that's the good thing. That's the good thing about a restaurant as opposed to a pool. So yeah, in a restaurant, people them come, them stung, that mean they want food. A pool, that mean they want food. Then we come, we are busy, and all them do is swim behind the food. So that is it. I'm thinking if I should go to the movies tonight by myself. Let me know if I should go. Should I go to the movies? Because I was thinking to go and watch ish movie. Well, the only movie that's available would be Nun 2. That's a scary movie, and yeah, I just feel like I just need to go out and watch something. The movie cheap, like $12, $7. So yeah, and then tomorrow I already tell the guys, like the people in the house, to get everything out of the fridge and the cupboard, start them one side, that is theirs. So whatever is not theirs or whatever is not ours, we're going to dash them away, because the fridge too full, the cupboard too full. Like in a sense, having people who was not here, who was here long before stuff here, and nobody now use it, by sense. So that is the plan tomorrow, to clean out that. Maybe I go shopping too, because I need grocery, and then I may just have dinner on the road tomorrow, and then Wednesday, chill at home, edit and cook. Yeah, so that's the plan for this week, guys. Anyway, today they're having a golf tournament, and yeah, I try to see if my husband out there, you understand? Yeah, me upon this search now. Me need my husband to find me. Yeah, guys, me come to get some beer to stock up at the fridge, because we're planning to leave early. Like the girl come to me and say, hey, she's starting to clean because she wants to leave early. She wants to leave exactly 7 o'clock. You don't mind, because I want to leave early too. So I am here at the beer list. I'm going to stock up the fridge. So all we need to do is just wipe down and sweep because we now have it, right? Yeah. Anyway.
It's been so long I didn't see you on mine. You change a lot, you look a different guy. I can't stop thinking about you since last night. Do you feel the same, feel the same, feel the same, feel the same? Imagine if we did it right. Yeah, I feel like we could be.
Hey guys, so I have the beer and just went back over. So I'll talk to you later.
Into my heart, I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long to finding the one. I would do everything you ask in my love. Look in my eyes, I know we need time. I know I'm everything you pray for my love. Been waiting too long.
Yes guys, it's finally home time. I left earlier than today, and today was more slow than yesterday. But yeah, today they had a golf tournament, and you can't believe that the people them not gonna combine nothing. The people don't combine nothing, you know, because guess what? They provide lunch and beer. Before they make the place sell, but you know, God is good. Still make something. And now I'm gonna go home. Still contemplate if we got the movies. I think we got the movies. Now go home, shower, put on my clothes. Got the movies. That I go do. Yeah, now that's looking at it. I'm gonna put myself out there. So yeah, just walk into the Uber as usual and taking in the beautiful view. Like, look at that. Yeah, if you don't know me, you don't know some love countryside. Anyway, later, because it seems like this is the Uber. Yeah, so I'm now ready to go to the movies. But guys, I had this Uber driver and I fall in love. Right now, I did him and come pick me up again. Like, it's so much. Me so find him back. Like, we in the car and we had talk the whole time, come back and him and drive slow. It was just such a romantic. No man. But yeah. Next week them time here, I'm gonna book the Uber at the same time because we have to find out them one day. We talk about everything we know him do. We know like listen, the one thing we never ask her if he have a woman. And next time the time we see him again, that is the question. He was so nice. Anyway, yeah. I'm here waiting on the Uber, going to watch the movie, a scary movie all by myself. Because we just feel like we just want to just escape. Yeah, it's a scary movie. We don't like scary movie. And we just try to do something different. And the movie not so expensive. So that is what I'm going to do. And yeah.
Locate the weapon.
Yeah.
And if you're watching carefully, he looks right at you. The rumor is, if you look away, the devil will appear in the form of a monstrous goat. See, he's watching you. Whatever you do, whatever you hear, don't look away.
Morning, guys. Today is the first day of the day off, and I'm gonna go shopping because I need some stuff. Cause come home in the night and I have nothing to eat. Sometimes, yeah. Even though I don't really eat that much, but I got up this morning and cleaned up the fridge. Let me show you. Like dash away for dash away, clean up when we clean up. Like some of these stuff, some of this like me think that we need to throw away some more stuff, but we don't want to throw away everything and we don't hoofa. So that's done yourself for me and my roommate, up yourself for them. Like I don't know, we dash away some money past stuff, but that is the fridge. I wanted to do the pantry, but me tell them say yo, if you take out the things that is theirs and put them one side so we can throw away money if you show it properly, and nobody never do it. So I just look on the date, look on stuff, and if it don't look good, I dash it away. So maybe later on leave them a cuss or something. But me already did tell them, but I am here. I'm gonna go to Bigmas, that's a supermarket like 6 minutes away, and get some fish stuff. So that's it for today. Then when we come back later on, we're gonna tally everything and see who's the actual winner. And tomorrow I'm gonna live because I cannot go today because my roommate will come in 5 o'clock. Or better yet, I can go if I go to the club. But the thing with the club, the Wi-Fi don't work properly. So yeah. But anyway, ticket, we're gonna do one of that. So yeah. Anybody know anything that can help me with tiredness? Because when we sleep are good, well, me not sleep good still, but even if I sleep really good, like I just feel tired still throughout the day sometimes. Like if we're not doing much. Try the window down. Like if we're not active, I know that me relax and when I work, it's like I feel tired. Like we need some form of vitamin or so. And I take vitamin, I take vitamin. But if you don't know anything that you can recommend that would help me prep up my day, I will truly take it. Guys, we're in here and we're just confused because the place is too big. I gotta just pay for this as me and then go Food Line because it's smaller and it's cheaper. It's too expensive and it's too big. So don't take up anything, just go Food Lines and done. Let's show you me take up a loan. So, I'll go Food Lines. Yes guys, so now I'm at Food Lions and this is so much better. Less people, less crowd, and it's smaller. And it's cheaper. Yeah, so that is it before I go home and do what I need to do. The live gonna be tomorrow, not today. Maybe. Let's see. Guys, me lost my credit card. I put it in another pocket like that, so and it come like it right out. My fault still, so I just lock it and I gotta request for a new one. But yeah, I buy some stuff. I buy enough. I go at the first place, $100 I spend. At the second place, 50 and something that I spend. And the things I buy at the second place more than the one I buy at the first place. Anyhow, I think we get some vital stuff like chicken and those things. So I'm just gonna pack them up now. I feel good if you take the allergy pill. So yeah. Good morning guys. So I am going to try out this thing that I got for my birthday. I'm just gonna do a facial. I always do facial like whatever, but yeah, I'm just gonna try out that and just do my morning routine. Let's see. Yeah, now I'm a part of the influencer gang. I have one of them something here. Yeah, they're no more than me. They're no more than me. Me, I want to, even though I don't really need it right now, but let's just do it for the video. Yeah, put away the hair. Pluck away the hair. Even, and no need to risk it, but it never come in there still. pack away the hair. Yeah, right, so. Let me set up this and come back. Guys, I was gonna do my facial, but then when I said now I'm gonna spend some, I'm not even bother do it now this every day, yeah, man. I'm gonna do it in the next video because just now I'm gonna plan. We need more days for this. It's gonna take out too much out of my time. Because I realize I have to wash my face, I have to use this for my face, and all of the products that we have, like, too much. That's just too much right now. So I'm just gonna be there and wash my face regularly. Yeah. Yeah, but I with that right now, yeah, man. That's stress me out. Too much to do. If something start steam now, you know, so I can probably just put my face over it and go and steam and then wash my face later. Like, I never put so much thought tonight, yeah, man. Anyway, guys, I have this app, you know. The app made me buy this expensive body wash because apparently good for my skin. That's I was using Dr. Teal and I realized it rated poor. I'm like really? So I'm gonna introduce that app to you some other day. We just want to see if we can get any, like, what you say now, commission if we share the app. Or if not, me go just share it and done. But the app make me contemplate my life decisions on food, on like products that I use on my body, on my face and everything. Like, I'm so glad that the Shea Moisture is good. Like, what? The Shea Moisture is good. So, because I've been using that from I start going natural. I've been using the Shea Moisture. And I've been using Dr. Teal from ever since I just realized it's not that good. So, and then even this I'm using and I realize it's not good. So, and then it also made me buy this kind of toothpaste. Hello, yeah, because I've been using this and it's saying how good it pour for your teeth. So now I'm using this. So I'm just gonna finish use this because guess what? Me already done buy it. I'm gonna dash it to it. So I'm gonna finish use this and then continue using this. And I also have two of this. Another one. This is the charcoal mint fresh, and the other one I don't know what it's called, but it's the same brand. So yeah, no, ill conscious girl. So I'll do a video. By the way, guys, I'm gonna separate my H2 videos from my vlog videos. There's a channel coming up, so please go and subscribe for all the H2B information. That is why I'm not posting so much H2B stuff on here, because I want to transition into put everything on one channel, because I realize that confusing is gonna stay to my vlog channel and like anything about me, and then the next one is going to be merely about H2BJ1, like any information that you need, like as it relates to coming to US or going to any other country, or you know, any program like videos, that's gonna be on my other channel. So go and subscribe when you see the link pop up. Yeah, subscribe and tell another friend to go and subscribe. Alright, yeah. So this today we're not doing this. We just go to steam my face because see they know how to steam. Morning, guys. You can't believe that me I open and mega late. Talk true. Wake up 6 o'clock. I'm supposed to reach work 7 o'clock. We already have everything in time, and then it's just that the Uber I take forever. Like the first Uber I saw was what, $20-something. Decided me not pay that. And then book one and then it's a long wait. But yeah, I'm going to open and I don't say we don't need for us to go anyway, because the person who normally go 8:30, go 7:30, because nobody know really come out of them bed 7 o'clock for breakfast. Like, who does that? So you know me fine. Yeah, so I just go work today and little more me close out the vlog because I need to finish edit. Let's go edit good, but I need fit. Guys, we reach exactly 7 o'clock. Exactly 7 o'clock. But me go set up now. Good morning, guys. So today is the last day of the vlog. Like, listen. I am editing in the morning because today is Friday and tomorrow is Saturday, and it needs to go tomorrow. So we just close off today. But before I close off, I forgot to mention that them surprised me at work. Like, work people wicked enough? Work people wicked. We say it was so busy at the pool, right? this was before the pool closed, obviously. Was so busy at the pool, and I only see the two manager came to me and said, Vanessa, we need to have a talk with you. But the day before, I was talking to the guy, like I really like this young youth, like me like him, right? Because he always asks questions, like him willing to learn, and him just chill, right? So I was talking to him and I was like, why don't you just come to Birdwood? Because me like in time good vibes are behind me. And he must say they want to put him in the rackets because blah 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 blah. And I was like, oh man, Birdwood would have nice if would have nice if you would have there in Birdwood, because at least me have a little company, right? And then he was like, no, they said that racket. So I was talking to Birdwood manager about the schedule, and I was like, she sent me the schedule and she said that, oh, she's working on getting a new server because they don't want to give us too much double. So I replied and I said, hey, I'm okay doing doubles. All I need is my day off, because I need my day off to focus on Uno, right? And I said, why not consider taking the guy? And she said that she wished she could, but they want him in rackets. So I thought that maybe she said something to the other manager, and the manager will come to me now and accost me and say, why you introduce the person over there so when you already know, say, I'll go over here so, and blah 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 blah. So when they come to me now and said they need to talk to me, all I could think about is that. Now the same day, we turned on the TV and I was playing music, like, I love music. I was playing music and customer was sitting on a little area there, and before all of this, one of the manager come to me and said, no, we cannot be playing these music. The TV is only for sports and news, right? And I turn it off. So when him come to me now, like an hour later, and said that they need to talk to me, he was like, I told you that you're not supposed to put that on the TV, blah blah blah. I know the guests take a picture, blah 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 blah. So me I say, like, really, the guests really got to take a picture? And then me I look at them and I said, no man, the guest that was there was cool because they actually wanted to hear the music, because I remember from the day before, like, my son come to an end. So we did it because remember I told you it's busy, so I needed to focus on the thing. And they were like, hurry up, you need to come because they need to get to the bottom of this. And then I went to the manager, and I was like, is it serious? Am I in trouble again? Like, can't bother. And they were like, I told you, I keep telling you, like, you guys need to be blah blah blah. And I said, Lord Jesus, my countenance fall. Everybody going to the kitchen, right? Because apparently they wanted to talk to everybody, and they said, like, you need to go. When me go in, me only hear happy birthday. Tell me if they're not wicked. Tell me if they're not wicked. Tell me, like, me just, like, me couldn't even say nothing. Me just start bawl. Like, me literally just start bawl, because all I could think about is that me in a trouble. And then me don't know or they know, but them buy an ice cream cake, because me don't like cake like that. I would have to feel for it, right? So they bought me an ice cream cake, and it was so lovely. Like, it tastes so good. Me tasted like 2 days after. Like, it's so good. But I am just saying, them did this like the 2 days before my birthday, because I wasn't gonna be at work, because I already asked for the day, plus the person who they weren't going to be at work the other day. They had to do it the 2 days before. But it was so heart touched. Like, nobody ever done that for me well in work, right? And me literally just start crying. Me just start bawl, me cry. And like I said, it's not funny, because I thought I was in trouble. The whole of the kitchen staff and the server them and the manager them, happy birthday with a cake. Tell me if they're not wicked. They're wicked, don't. They're wicked. You know with me, right? They're wicked, don't. They're wicked. Anyway, yeah, so I forgot to mention that in the previous vlog, because I guess I was just focusing on me. But I just want to say, if they're watching this, because we know some of them are watching my video, thank you. I really felt appreciated and I really loved it. Like, it touched my heart, me not gonna lie. Like, I will forever cherish that moment, and I just want to share it with you. Like, sometimes you're at a workplace and so much thing going on, but people are watching. You know, people value you and value your time and value the fact that you're there. So yeah, it was lovely. Yeah, I loved it. Like me literally ball. And then guess what? Them sing, I wanna sing happy birthday to you. Like them a listen, man. Them a watch me things, them man. Them a watch me things. Those are anyway. Yes, so I just wanna close out the vlog with that. Still editing. But yeah, I had a great time. And here at Birdwood, I am well contented. Like, I wish me did. I know somebody need to lick me in my head because they wanted me to stay at Birdwood, and I was like, no, because me I follow company. But I wish if me could have take back the hands of time when I stay at Birdwood. Like, honestly, would I just stay at Birdwood because did I make more money at Birdwood? But you see, everything happens for a reason. You live and you learn. Next time we know. Yeah. So yeah, I am here now. I am okay. Me feel. You remember me did not vent the other time and I talk about me stress out of my camera with work and blah 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 blah. Yeah, this is it. Me good now. Me good. Sometimes I just time, you know. I just time, guys. I just time. And would I come back? Definitely. Yes. The only thing I have an issue with is the transportation. And then, as you know, if I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna make sure somebody buy my car. And I said, and you know, so the reason why I don't buy the car is because I want to secure a winter job, because me know say it's harder to get a winter job than a summer job. So if me secure the winter job, then I can move on. I can get the car and then have it for summer and then try again winter again. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for coming on my channel. Like, big up Ala Ono and big up to the winner, Natasha. Where Natasha come from? Nicole Enriquez, a big up to you. Congrats, you won the $100, and guys, I already transferred it to her. If she can comment down below if she gets it, yeah, if she's reached this far in the video, yeah, congrats to Nicole Enriquez. And yeah, big up she. Yeah, she $100 richer. Yeah, big up her. And I believe that the right person got it. Yeah, because she was doing it from I released the first video. She was the one who commented the first, and she commented well, not really she got person to comment the first, and she was the last one that got person to comment after, even though people still are comment. So big up to she, congrats to her, and thank you for your continuous support. Yeah, and please stay tuned. I am changing the channel a little bit. Yeah, and oh yeah, look out for the other channel. It's called Soar with Nessa. I already changed the name and everything, but nothing is on there because I know secure life will go on good. Yeah, so you can look for it and subscribe while you're there. Plus, I'm changing up the intro, the song, everything is gonna change with this and that. Yes, I'm working. You understand? I'm working. Yes, I'm taking this more serious. So, you know, some love chat. Anyway, I'll catch you tomorrow in my next vlog. Yeah, bye. Oh yeah, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend to come over. Yes, because over yes, so a goodness. Bye.